Hey, Jimmy, you went to the grocery store?
What
did you get?
I don't know, Feast of Fiction stuff?
Oh my god, that's a lot of money.
Yeah, probably.
You know what? Kids these days don't know how to save money.
Yeah.
You know what, Jimmy? Let me show you how to make a Chinese dish. It's easy, it's fast, and healthy, and inexpensive.
Okay. Sounds good.
Very good and delicious. Good?
Mm-hmm.
I do it this way. Swirl.
搅来搅去.
Like this.
What? Like this? Too much. But very good.
It's delicious, huh?
It's so fast.
Yeah.
Okay. I hope you liked easy cooking, cheap cooking, healthy cooking with Mama Wong. If you guys want to see more videos like this, let us know in the comments below. And if you like ASMR, I guess you should tell us that too.
What's that?
It's like the weird, like when you listen to a video and it's just like,
Oh God, that's giving me goosebumps.
it worked!
Really?
Yeah, that's the whole point of the video, is to make you feel tingly, like ooh.
Oh.
Put some headphones on and
Like,
they're
you
like,
can catch a fly with your chopstick.
well, they're like whispering in your ear,
Oh my God.
like handling, like being like,
Very secretive. This is a secret recipe. Family recipe.
this is not a secret. What are you talking about? Anyone can make this.
I know, but now it's not.
Bonk. Oh, okay, bye-bye.
Bye. See you next time. Like it or not.